Hello everyone, welcome to solve this very nice problem for the value of x. Square root of x plus square root of x plus square root of x is equal to 2. So let's come to the solution. As here square root of x plus square root of x, so by adding this we get 2 into square root of x plus x is equal to 2. In the next step, we will move this plus x from left hand side to right hand side, and this will become 2 into square root of x is equal to 2 minus x. By moving this plus x from left hand side to right hand side, this will become negative x, and now we have 2 into square root of x is equal to 2 minus x. Now dividing both sides by 2. This 2 from denominator and this 2 from numerator cancel out each other. We were left with square root of x is equal to, this we can write as 2 divided by 2 minus x divided by 2. Now square root of x is equal to 2 divided by 2, we get 1 minus x divided by 2. Now squaring on both sides, so x square root squared is equal to 1 minus x by 2 whole squared. But from an algebraic identity, if we have a power m multiplied by a power n, so this is equal to a power m plus n. So we can write this 2 as 1 plus 1, and in the next step, this square root and square cancel out each other. Here x is equal to 1 minus x by 2 whole power 1 plus 1. So we can write by using this algebraic identity as 1 minus x by 2 whole power 1. So when the bases are same and multiplying each other, then their powers will be added. So this will become 1 minus x by 2 whole squared. Now x is equal to, multiplying these, 1 multiplied by 1 we get 1, and 1 multiplied by minus x by 2 we get minus x by 2, and now minus x by 2 multiplied by 1 we get minus x by 2, and minus multiplied by minus we get plus, x multiplied by x which is x squared divided by 2 multiplied by 2 we get 4. Now taking LCM of the right hand side or multiplying both sides by 4. Do any step. By taking LCM of the right hand side, at the denominator of 1 there is 1, and x by 2, here 2 and here 4 are the denominators, so the LCM of these number is 4. And now 1 multiplied by 4 we get 4, minus x by 2 multiplied by 4 we get 2x, minus x by 2 multiplied by 4, 2 multiplied by 2 we get 4, and 2 multiplied by x we get minus 2x, plus x squared divided by 4 multiplied by 4 we get x squared. So now x is equal to 4 minus 2x, this will become minus 4x plus x squared divided by 4. Now by doing cross multiplication, here in the denominator of x there is 1, so 4 will multiply by x, this will become 4x is equal to 1 will multiply by these numbers, and this will become 4 minus 4x plus x squared. Now moving all the terms from left hand side to right hand side, this will become 4 minus 4x plus x squared minus 4x is equal to 0. Now rearranging all these terms, x squared minus 4x and minus 4x, we get minus 8x plus 4, and this whole thing is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. So we can find out the value of x by completing square or by factorization or by quadratic formula. Here we will use the quadratic formula. The value of a is 1, b is minus 8, and the value of c is 4. And the quadratic formula is minus b plus minus square root of b squared minus 4ac divided by 2a. So now using the values of a, b and c in this quadratic formula, so this will become x is equal to minus b, this minus into b is minus 8, plus minus b squared means minus 8 squared, minus 4 multiplied by a which is 1 and multiplied by c which is 4, divide by 2 multiplied by a which is 1. Now x is equal to minus multiplied by minus, this is plus 8 plus minus square root of minus squared which is plus and 8 square which is 64 minus 4 multiplied by 1 which is 4 and 4 multiplied by 4 16, divided by 2 multiplied by 1 which is 2. Now x is equal to 8 plus minus square root of 64 minus 16, we get 48 divided by 2. And now we can write this as 8 plus minus square root of 48, this is 16 multiplied by 3 divided by 2. We can write square root of 16 multiplied by 3 as square root of 16 into square root of 3 divided by 2. So from this we get x is equal to 8 plus minus square root of 16 which is 4 into square root 3 divided by 2. So now we have x is equal to 8 plus minus 4 into square root 3 divided by 2. X is equal to, take 2 as a common from numerator. So inside here 4 multiplied by 2 we get 8 plus minus 2 multiplied by 2 which is 4 into square root 3 divided by 2. Now this 2 from denominator and 2 from numerator cancel out each other. We will left with a 4 plus minus 2 into square root 3. So x1 is equal to 4 plus 2 into square root 3, and the value of x2 is 4 minus 2 into square root 3. These are the two solutions for the given question. Thank you for watching. If you have not subscribed our channel, please subscribe this.